Hi Hopper class, this is art. So everybody is going to need a piece of white paper and a sharp pencil. So before we start, can you go and get those things please and pause the video? Amazing. Right, let me share my screen and I will tell you what we're going to be doing. So today's learning objective is, can I observe closely? Observe means look carefully, notice things. So we're going to be looking carefully at something today. Now, as you know, we've done Jack and the Beanstalk in Talk for Writing. We've been learning about plants in science. So we're going to be looking at plants in art as well. Your cold task, you should have drawn a picture of a plant and posted for me. So here we've got a picture that I have taken of a leaf. Now it's not a whole leaf. I've really focused in on one little section so that I can observe it closely. So have a look. What colours can you see? I can see dark green. I can see light green. I think I can see some yellow, some brown, and some white. What about you? The main colour is green. Is it all the same shade of green, or are they different shades? That's right, I can see lots of different shades of green. Do you notice any patterns? I can see some patterns. There are all funny shapes, aren't they? Going down in rows and then back up again. And inside, if you look really carefully, there's lots of lines in there as well, and there's what looks like rows and rows of squares. Does the leaf look smooth or bumpy? I think some parts of it look smooth, and then other parts, like these veins, look bumpy. Let's have a look at another one. What colours can you see? I can see green and white. Is the green all the same shade? No, I can see dark green, light green, and then over here, even lighter green where the light is shining through the leaf. Are there any patterns? I can see stripes. Can you see the white stripes going up and down all over the leaf? Let's have a look at another one. Oh, look at this one. I can see white in the lines, and I can see green. And again, I can see some light green and some dark green. Can you see a pattern? I can see lots of different shapes all around. Does this one look smooth or bumpy? I think it looks bumpy. Oh, look at this one. This one looks a bit like an autumnal leaf, doesn't it? That means that it probably had less sunlight and it's fallen off the tree. What colours can you see in this one? I can see green down the middle and up here. I can see orange over here, but I can see lots of different shades of orange. Can you see how it gets darker the closer you get to the middle, and then lighter the further out you go? And over here, we've got a little bit of orange, but then it turns yellow, doesn't it? There's lots of different colours here. I can see that there are lines going out from the middle on both sides. And this leaf looks a little bit bumpy as well. So let's move on. What I want you to do today is I want you to go outside and I want you to choose a leaf. And then I want you to observe That means I want you to sit down and look at your leaf before you do anything. Look at it really closely, like we've been doing here with these pictures. And I want you to think, what colours can you see? Are all of the colours the same shade, or are there some lighter colours and some darker ones? Does it look bumpy or smooth? You can feel it as well, can't you? And see if it's bumpy or smooth. Are there any patterns on your leaf? If so, what are they? Have a chat with your grown-up about what you see. And then on your paper, I want you to sketch or draw really carefully all of the details that you can see. And your challenge, because I know this is really tricky, is to fill the whole piece of paper. I had a leaf and I took a photo of it for your slides, but I had started my drawing of a leaf. Oh, it's really tricky to show you. I've tried to fill the page, so I've got all of the veins coming up here, and I've started to draw out. To do next is I'm going to finish off those patterns, and I'm going to take my time. I'm not going to rush it. And then once I've done that, I'm going to look carefully at the different colours that are on my leaf, and I'm going to colour it in neatly. Now, my leaf, when it is finished, will be light green, dark green, and I'll probably use a little bit of yellow and brown as well. So think really carefully about how you're going to do that. And again, try and fill the whole page. Okay? I'm really looking forward to seeing your drawings of a leaf. Remember, you are observing closely. Look at the details. Have fun doing it. Have fun searching for your leaves. And then when you're done, take a photograph and pop it on tapestry for me. And we'll see if yours are better than mine. I'm not the best at drawing, as you all know. Have a wonderful morning, Hopper class. See you soon. Bye.